Hey guys, welcome to Math Simplify with Mr. I. On today's episode, we'll be continuing from our last episode where we solved one-step equations. Today we're going to be doing multi-step equations, right? You're solving multi-step equations, and how do you do it? Let me get in and show you how. So, let's choose a nice color. Okay, I'm going to go with green today. So let's say we have 2x, I'm doing this off the top of my head, okay? 2x minus 2 equals 16. Okay, that looks like it's a good number to work. So the first thing that we want to do, okay, I'm gonna change this to red just so we have a different color as you see what's going on. First, I don't tackle what's with the x. I leave that alone. I look at something away from it so I can isolate it. If we have a negative 2, I'm going to add 2 to both sides, okay? And that's gonna give me, this is gone, right? This is gonna be 2x. This is going to be 18. Okay, let's switch colors again, right? Because you want to see what's happening. So now, if you multiply by 2, you want to divide by 2. If I divide by 2 on both sides, x equals 18 divided by 2, which is 9. We just solved a two-step equation. But now, after solving it, don't be lazy, right? Let's check it. Let's check if this works. So you have 2 times 9 minus 2 equals 16, right? I just subbed in where you saw here the x, I put in the 9. So 2 times 9 is 18, minus 2 is 16. 18 minus 2 is 16, 16 equals 16. That checks. You solved it. It's easy, right? Let's do another one. All right. Let me see. So let's say that we have x divided by 2. Let's do minus 2 equals 18. I think that should be a nice one. So the first thing we want to do is change the color so we can see it nicer. Okay, so let's say plus 2 plus 2. This turns into x divided by 2 equals 18 plus 2 is 20. What's the next thing that you want to do? Yes, if you're dividing by 2, you multiply by 2 on both sides. This goes away. X equals 20 times 2 is 40. That's your solution. You solved another multi-step equation. But the first thing you want to do is check, right? If I check, I say, okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm rewriting the equation, right? And then I'm taking what I have for x and I'm substituting it back in here. So 40 divided by 2 minus 2 should equal to 18. 40 divided by 2 is 20 minus 2 equals 18. Yes, 18 equals 18, right? 20 divided by 20 minus 2 is 18. You just solved another one. Not as difficult as you thought, right? I'm going to put one up, and I want you to be able to do this on your own first, right? So let's go ahead and say we have 3x. Let's do minus 3 equals 6, okay? That should also be another one that should work real quick. So go ahead and pause the video. Okay, unpause it. Let's do it together. You will see if you got it right? So we got plus 3 plus 3. The top of the 3 didn't come out. So this goes away. It's going to be 3x equals 6 plus 3 is 9. What's the next step? I'm just going to change the color real quick. What's the next step? Yeah, if you're multiplying, you want to divide, right? So you got to divide by 3, divide by 3. This goes away. X equals 3. Did you do your check? I hope you did, because if you didn't, let me show you how. So you got 3x minus 3 equals 6, right? Now, this is going to be plugged into here. This, what I mean, x equals 3. So 3 times 3 minus 3 equals 6. A lot of 3's, don't get messed up. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 3 equals 6. Will this check? Then you got 9 minus 3 is 6 equals 6. And that indeed checks. Boom, you solved another one. So these are multi-step equations, right? It doesn't seem crazy, right? You basically have to be able to solve stuff whenever you see it, okay? You undo whatever is away from the variable and then you do the one that's with the variable. Okay, let's recap. Opposite of subtraction is addition. Opposite of addition is subtraction. Opposite of multiplication is division, and opposite of division is multiplication. You can always undo whatever you see in front of you, right? That's Math Simplified with Mr. I. If you did not understand it, go back and watch the video again. If you're having trouble with the multi-step, maybe go back one episode and check out the single step, right? If you do multiple of those, pause all the examples that I did. Do them over, change them. You can even go to any website and get more problems and do them, right? The more stronger you are with one step, two step becomes much easier, right? If it goes to 3-step, 4-step, if you just like multiple steps, right? It doesn't matter. You'll be perfectly fine. That's Math Simplified, Mr. I. I'll catch you on the next one.